Yes, Bishop.
Saint Teresa of Lisieux, Saint Teresa of the Child Jesus, the little flower, the same like ito siya. Saint Teresa of Lisieux, because she was born sa Lisieux, France. And Saint Teresa of the Child Jesus, because that is her religious name when she entered the Carmelite monastery at age 15 with a special permission of the Pope. And then the little flower is referring to Saint Teresa also. Why she is called the little flower? Because she became a great saint through ordinary work. To be a saint is simply to do ordinary work with extraordinary love. I mentioned this when I gave them an orientation, when I tried to reorganize the Diocese Council of the Laity in Calbayo. Saint Teresa of Jesus was once a portera. She was a contemplative Carmelite nun. Anong portera? Tig-abri sa portahan sa simbahan nila. Being a portera ba is a way to sainthood? For us, walang kwenta yan. She was once a portera. She was once a sacristana. She was once a cocinera for the sisters. She was once a lavandera because she washed the vestments of the sisters and the priests. May balon ba sa trabaho na ito? But then that's the way how she became a saint and great before the eyes of God. Why? Because for her holiness in life, sainthood is doing ordinary work with extraordinary love. We have our sisters there serving our food. Later on, they will serve us food. Okay? Serving can be serving us food as HM, hospital, anong kurso sa HM? Ana?